Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to navigate to Forage and how to curate custom collections for your courses. Again, Forage allows you to embed mini job simulations that have been created by real-world employers into your courses so that students can explore different careers and also get hands-on experience what it's like to do a job, what a day in the life is like, if you will. So if you are on the main JCC page, if you go to Who Are You? An Employee, down under faculty resources, you'll see right here it says Career Services Faculty Toolkit. If you click on the Forage button, it's going to bring you to the page to sign in. So if you don't have an account, you can create one here. If you do have an account, way down at the bottom here, you'll hit login. So I'm going to do that here. All right, and then when you get logged in, you will see any courses that you are managing up here, and then down at the bottom, you'll see any courses that are affiliated with JCC that other faculty and offices have created. But for you to create a class, you can just click this button here, give it a title, and then you can search for job simulations. There are over 300 simulations on Forage in a variety of industries. You can see here I'm doing a finance class, so I'm going to type in banking. When I hit search, you'll see all the different simulations that come up here. So if you want to know more about a particular simulation before you decide if it's the right one for your course, you can hit this view more job info and you will see what students are going to do and what they're going to learn throughout the simulation. It's going to break it down by all the different tasks that the student will have to do. Simulations can take anywhere from 1 to 7 hours, depending on which ones you select. The student does not have to take them consecutively. They can do it at their own pace, but this will kind of break down for you what they have to do in each task. So if you click this select job simulation button, it's pretty easy. You'll see it turns green. Anything you select that for is going to be curated for your class specifically. I'm going to go through and create a few here. And then you can hit this blue submit button. And then once you do that, it's going to bring you back to the dashboard and you can see right here that your course is now here. Right here, you can copy the URL so that you can share the link directly to your curated content with your students. You can add this into Brightspace or any other method. If you click on this view class page, this is what the students will see when they click on that link. So you'll be able to edit the description for your class here. I just didn't do that when I set it up. And then you can see down here, these are all the simulations that I have selected. So a student does need a Forage account in order to do the simulations. You can see right here, it's prompting them to sign up. They also can get to the sign up page from any of these simulations. So say you give the students the option to do any one of these, the student can click on the simulation, and this is what they are going to see. They're going to see information about it, how much time it's expected to take, kind of what they're going to be doing. They'll get to learn more about the company. There will be a video from whoever created the simulation. And then down here, similar to how you got to see what the students would be doing, the student will get to preview all the different tasks that they'll be doing for this. And then once they complete the simulation, they will earn a certificate. They can put it on their resume, put it on their LinkedIn profiles, and then you will be able to assess who completed it. You won't be able to see how they did on it, but you will be able to see that they completed it. And then the student will just click this blue Start Free Program button, and then they'll be ready to go.